What's this? This process.
Not actually smoking, by the way.
No, you're not.
No, just draining the fucking tank. Car's been sitting for 7 years. I guess the customer decided to leave 20 gallons of fuel in it.
Perfect. Yeah, no, if you're actually smoking, this place would be flames.
It would be
Like,
lit the fuck up. It is extremely atomized fuel system.
Yeah, it'd be kind of like almost like this morning with what was it, the brake cleaner?
Oh no, that's different. That was the brake cleaner.
Yeah. But it'd be kind of the same concept, right?
I don't know. I don't think it's really.
It wouldn't be like.
I don't think it would. Personally, I have to put a light in it. Gasoline. Well, right now it's vapor though. The vapors, it'll fucking pop.
Be like, bah!
Fuel, just straight fuel, doesn't really do it. You can throw a cigarette right in the fucking Fuel, just straight fuel, doesn't really do it. You can throw a cigarette right in the fucking gallon of gas.
It'd be like, yeah, it would actually go out.
But right now, if I straight lit a fucking shit right now, if I lit a cigar right now, it'd blow up in my face, I can guarantee it. I'd rather not, but thank you. Drain the fuel, put fresh fuel in it, double check all the fluids, little fuel in the carburetor, fired up on the third track. So, not bad. No, you're good.